A new social media platform just hit 500,000 downloads in 48 hours, and almost nobody is talking about the real opportunity hidden inside it. If you're struggling to get reach on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, or you're looking for untapped traffic sources before they get saturated, this complete Upscrolled breakdown is going to show you exactly how to leverage this platform strategically. Subscribe to Padded Vibes channel because we identify emerging platforms and traffic opportunities before they become mainstream every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Let's get straight into this. Here's what most people miss about new social platforms. Everyone rushes to join. They post randomly. They wait for magic to happen. Then they quit when results don't come fast enough. The real opportunity isn't just being early. It's being strategic early. Understanding how the platform works, which content types win, how to build an audience fast, and most importantly, how to turn that audience into traffic or income. That's exactly what I'm covering today. What Upscrolled actually is, why it's exploding right now, how to grow your account strategically, the best niches to focus on, how to drive traffic to your website or offers, and realistic monetization strategies you can implement. Let's start with understanding what Upscrolled is and why it matters. Upscrolled is a new social media platform launched in June 2025 by Isam Hijazi. The platform combines microblogging with short-form video content. Think of it as a hybrid between Twitter's text posts and TikTok's video format. You can post short written updates, images, or vertical videos all in one feed. But here's what makes it different and why people are flooding to it right now. Traditional platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter use complex algorithms that decide who sees your content. These algorithms favor accounts that already have massive followings, specific engagement patterns, or pay for promotion. For new creators or small accounts, this means your content often gets buried. You post something, get 50 views, and it dies. Upscrolled claims to operate differently. No algorithmic suppression. Equal visibility for all users regardless of follower count. Your content gets shown based on chronological order and user interests, not engagement history. This is huge because it means a brand new account can potentially reach the same audience as an established account if the content resonates. Now let's talk about why this platform is exploding right now. In late January 2026, TikTok was acquired by a group of investors aligned with specific political interests. This triggered massive backlash from users who felt the platform's direction was changing. Simultaneously, many creators were experiencing severe reach drops across Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Posts that normally got thousands of views were suddenly getting hundreds. Users started searching for alternative platforms where their content wouldn't be restricted or shadow banned. Upscrolled positioned itself as the censorship-free alternative. Between January 22nd and January 24th, the platform saw a 2,850% increase in downloads. Over 500,000 installs on Google Play Store alone in 2 days. This surge pushed Upscrolled into the top 10 free apps on Apple's App Store. That level of growth is rare and indicates genuine demand for an alternative platform. Now here's why this matters for you strategically. When a platform is in its explosive growth phase, early adopters have a massive advantage. There's less content competing for attention. The audience is actively engaged and exploring. The platform often promotes early creators to prove the system works. This is your window, not to just join, but to build a real presence before saturation hits. Let me show you how to grow strategically on Upscrolled. Step 1. Optimize your profile immediately. Download Upscrolled from the official app stores. It's available on both iOS and Android. Create your account. Choose a username that's consistent with your other platforms if you're building a personal brand, or niche specific if you're targeting a particular audience. Your profile bio is critical. You have limited characters, so make every word count. Use this formula. What you do plus who you help plus one clear benefit. Example: AI tools expert helping creators automate content. Daily tips for productivity. Another example: freelance designers sharing branding strategies for small businesses. The goal is instant clarity. Someone should understand your value in 3 seconds. Add a profile picture that's clear and professional. On social platforms, faces perform better than logos for personal brands. If you have a website, link it in your bio. This is where traffic conversion begins. Step 2. Understand the content formats that work. Upscrolled supports 3 main content types: text posts, image posts, and short videos. Right now, videos are getting the most engagement because the platform is pushing video content to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. But here's the strategy most people miss. Mix all 3 forms. Post a video tutorial. Follow it with a text post expanding on one point. Then share an image carousel breaking down the steps. This approach serves 3 purposes. It trains the algorithm to show your content to people interested in your topic. It caters to different consumption preferences. It increases your posting frequency without burning out on video production. Aim for 1 to 2 posts per day minimum during the growth phase. Consistency beats perfection on new platforms. Step 3. Focus on high-value content from day 1. Don't waste time posting random thoughts or low-effort content. The early content you post establishes your account's identity. Use these proven content frameworks. How to post. How to get your first freelance client. How to edit videos faster. How to optimize your website for SEO. Listicles. 5 tools every marketer needs. 3 mistakes killing your reach. 7 ways to monetize your skills. Quick tips. 1 actionable insight per post. These perform exceptionally well and are easy to produce in volume. Behind the scenes. Show your process, your workspace, your daily routine. People connect with authentic content. Contrarian takes. Challenge common advice in your niche. This sparks engagement through comments and shares. The key is providing value that makes people want to follow you for more. Step 4. Engage strategically to accelerate growth. On Upscrolled, engagement is still heavily weighted because the user base is smaller and more active. Spend 20 minutes per day engaging with content in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments. Ask questions. Add value to discussions. When someone comments on your post, reply within the first hour if possible. This signals to the platform that your content creates conversation. Follow accounts in your niche or target audience. About 30 to 40% will follow back during this growth phase. Share other people's valuable content with your commentary. This builds relationships and exposes you to their audience. This isn't busy work. This is strategic visibility building while the platform is still small enough for manual effort to matter. Now let's talk about the best niches to focus on for Upscrolled. Based on current trends and platform demographics, these niches are showing the strongest growth. Niche 1. Alternative news and independent journalism. The platform attracted users looking for uncensored content, so news analysis and commentary perform well. Niche 2. Creator economy and side hustles. People want to learn how to build income outside traditional employment. Freelancing tips, digital products, online business strategies. Niche 3. Tech and AI tools. Showcasing new tools, productivity hacks, and automation strategies resonates with Upscrolled's early adopter audience. Niche 4. Personal development and mindset. Motivational content, habit building, self-improvement tactics consistently engage audiences. Niche 5. Creative skills. Design tutorials, video editing tips, writing advice, music production. Educational content in creative fields. The common thread across winning niches is education and empowerment. People want to learn, improve, and gain control over their lives and work. If your content helps people do any of those things, you're positioned well. Now here's where it gets interesting. Leveraging Upscrolled for traffic and monetization. Strategy 1. Drive traffic to your website or landing pages. The biggest opportunity right now isn't making money directly on Upscrolled. It's using Upscrolled to build an audience you can direct elsewhere. Include your website link in your bio. Mention it naturally in your content. Check out my full tutorial on my website. I wrote a detailed guide on this topic, link in bio. Create valuable lead magnets. Free templates, checklists, mini courses. Offer these in exchange for email signups. Post teasers on Upscrolled. Deliver the full value through your email list. This builds an owned audience independent of platform changes. Strategy 2. Affiliate marketing through valuable recommendations. If you're in niches like tech tools, productivity, or creator economy, affiliate marketing is a natural fit. Review tools you actually use. Explain their benefits. Include your affiliate link in posts or bio. The key is genuine recommendation, not spammy promotion. Your audience is on Upscrolled partly to escape aggressive advertising. Focus on tools that solve real problems. Explain why you use them. Show results when possible. Strategy 3. Promote your services or products subtly. If you're a freelancer, consultant, coach, or sell digital products, Upscrolled can become a client acquisition channel. Share your expertise through valuable posts. Build authority and trust. Then occasionally mention your services. Example post. I just helped a client 3x their website traffic using these 5 SEO strategies. If you need help with similar results, I have 2 consulting slots open this month. DM me for details. This works because you've already demonstrated expertise. The promotion feels like a natural extension of value. Strategy 4. Build your personal brand for long-term leverage. Even if Upscrolled doesn't have built-in monetization yet, a strong personal brand opens doors everywhere. Get known for expertise in your niche. Build an engaged following. Then leverage that authority on other platforms, in partnerships, or for speaking opportunities. Your Upscrolled presence becomes proof of your influence and reach. Now let's talk about realistic expectations and current limitations. Upscrolled is still very new. The platform has bugs. The app sometimes crashes or loads slowly. Features are limited compared to mature platforms. There's no monetization program yet. No ad revenue sharing. No creator funds. No tipping features. This may come later, but don't count on it. The user base is smaller than TikTok or Instagram. You won't instantly get millions of views, but you can build a targeted, engaged audience faster than on saturated platforms. Content moderation policies are still being defined. The platform claims to be censorship-free but may need to implement some guidelines as it grows to remain in app stores. The real question is longevity. Will Upscrolled maintain momentum or fade like many platform alternatives before it? Impossible to predict. But here's my strategic take. Treat Upscrolled as one traffic source, not your only platform. Build your presence there while maintaining your other channels. Focus on converting Upscrolled followers into email subscribers or website visitors. This protects you if the platform declines. Create content that's easy to repurpose. What you make for Upscrolled can also go on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Twitter. This multi-platform approach maximizes ROI on your content creation time. Here's my recommended action plan if you want to leverage Upscrolled. Week 1. Set up your optimized profile. Post one piece of valuable content daily for 7 days. Engage with 10 to 15 posts in your niche each day. Week 2. Analyze which content got the most engagement. Double down on those formats and topics. Start mentioning your website or lead magnet in posts. Week 3. Increase posting to twice daily if possible. Begin strategic collaborations with other creators through shares and mentions. Week 4. Evaluate your follower growth and traffic results. Decide whether to maintain, increase, or reduce your Upscrolled investment based on actual data. Most people quit before giving platforms a fair test. 4 weeks of consistent, strategic effort gives you real insight into potential. Let me address the biggest question. Is Upscrolled worth your time right now? If you're struggling to get reach on traditional platforms, yes. The equal visibility claim appears to be real based on early user reports. If you need new traffic sources for your website, business, or services, yes. The platform is still open and accessible. If you're looking for instant monetization or massive viral reach, probably not yet. The infrastructure isn't there and the audience size is still growing. My personal strategy is treating Upscrolled as a testing ground. Low time investment, high potential upside. I'm creating content there but not abandoning proven platforms. If it gains traction, I'm positioned early. If it fades, I've lost minimal time and gained repurpose-able content. To wrap up everything we covered, Upscrolled is a new social platform with explosive growth driven by frustration with traditional platforms. The key advantages are equal reach without algorithmic suppression, early adopter opportunity, and engaged audience seeking valuable content. Best strategies include optimized profiles, consistent valuable content, strategic engagement, and traffic direction to owned platforms. Top niches are independent news, creator economy, tech tools, personal development, and creative skills. Monetization happens through traffic leverage, affiliate marketing, service promotion, and personal brand building, not direct platform payments. Your next step is simple. Download Upscrolled this week. Set up your profile using the framework I showed. Post one valuable piece of content. See how the platform feels. If this breakdown helped you understand the strategic opportunity in Upscrolled, hit that like button and subscribe to Padded Vibes channel for more emerging platform analysis. Comment below and tell me if you're going to try Upscrolled and what niche you'll focus on. I'll see you in the next one.